Good morning, everyone.
Where are we?
Where are we?
Disneyland.
We are
Disneyland.
at the Disneyland Hotel. Woo! Yay! Someone is very excited. Mom?
I'm so excited.
So
This
excited.
is the first time the girls are staying on property. Yes, we were just here, but this trip we planned like months ago. Like our last trip for parents was like totally last minute. We had like some points to use and all this stuff. But this has been in the works 4 months. It is hot here. It was like 40 degrees when we left our house, and it's probably like 75 now. So we are warm, right, Zay?
Oh, yeah.
My bubble machine now.
All right, let's check in and change.
And change it.
Just walking up, and check this out. Celebrating 50 years, the Haunted Mansion, and look at the decor. Oh, it's amazing. Cheese. Zay doesn't know. I almost blew it a couple times already.
Yeah, fun. Cute. Look at the pictures, eh?
A surprise! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Is that a big surprise?
That was perfect.
Hello, Uncle Mark. So Zayana totally did not know Uncle Mark and Uncle Johnny are gonna be meeting us up on this trip, or they met us up already. But we are also meeting up a few other of our friends as well, another family, and we are here to have fun. Parents, kids, friends, everybody. We're all ready to relax. Zaya loves the room. Zaya, we're gonna show her something amazing.
Home.
Whoa! Is that cool or what? Do you like it? What do you think, Zay?
Climbing it.
What do you think? Is this amazing or what? Do we need this at home?
I think so.
I think so.
Hi, Zay. Oh. Just woke up from nap time. Mommy went to back to the pool bar because my girlfriend is here.
Mommy.
I'm feeling it a little. Had one Mai Tai. Anyway, guys, we just been chilling. We got here and we went straight for the food. I was so hungry. This morning at the airport, we got one muffin and a banana we shared. I ate half the banana and I couldn't eat half the muffin because I, like a bite in, I'm like, this is really dry and gross. And it was like a vegan blueberry muffin. It was not that exciting. So I was starving when we got here. We ate, we went to the pool, and then they had nap time and I just went down and hung out with my girlfriend at the bar and we just did some window shopping. But we're gonna go to the parks now. But first, I wanna do a quick room tour. So, we obviously already destroyed the place, but bathroom. I just wanna show you guys these little Disney touches. The Mickey hand, the Mickey's there. Some good lighting for doing your makeup. And then, Zay, I'm trying to show them our room. Anyway, we have 2 queen beds. And Zay, can you show them? Where do you turn on the castle? And you just turn on the castle. Right there. Wow. I think it's her favorite part. I mean, this is really it. 2 queen beds. You get a TV, a desk station. We already made our big mess. And then there's a mini fridge in there. And then the best part really is this.
All right, so we have dinner reservations at the Wine Country Tutoria, and
It's our
it's a
first
big
time
day.
going in the park for the day.
Yes, and Zayan, it's a big event because Zayana, last time we were on our parents' trip, we renewed our annual passes, and this is Zayana's first time having her own annual pass. Are you excited, Jay?
moment in a Disney mommy's life. Also a very broke moment in a Disney daddy's life. Are you ready to see Anna and Elsa?
Yeah,
Yeah. What are you gonna say?
Hi.
Hi Anna, hi Elsa. Oh. You gonna give them hugs?
Yeah.
You are? Where are you? How are you gonna? What are you gonna ask them? Where's Ola? Oh my goodness. What about Sven?
No.
No. What about Kristoff?
No.
No. I think it's your turn.
Give her a hug.
You're showing her shoes. Father her. Wow. What are your shoes? Let me see your shoes. Really nice.
Ooh.
Mommy didn't have any shoes. You wanted to wear Birks like mommy was.
Thank you.
I